Welcome viewers. Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas is efficaciously capable to launder money through his wife, argued Gabe Roth of the Watchdog team fixed the court on MSNBC Friday. This comes amid new reporting that right-wing judicial activist Leonard Leo and eventual Trump advisor Kellyanne Conway organized a secret feed of Virginia Ginny Thomas through an corporation that effectively lobbied the Supreme Court to undermine the Voting Rights Act in a landmark 2013 choice, and in addition reporting on the presents Thomas himself acquired from billionaire benefactor Harlan Crow. What seems to be going on in this excellent cautious file-sourced reporting in the Washington Post and the ProPublica reporting is that each file displays that Clarence Thomas is not abiding by way of the court's personal disclosure laws, stated anchor Nicole Wallace. Is that an honest evaluation of the place we are? As we proceed with this video, please kindly take a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for latest updates from us. I would suppose so, stated Roth. Justices do not have to listing purchasers of their spouses. I suppose they have to if they're getting $100,000 from a single source. It's nearly like laundering money. I'm now not pronouncing that I'm getting cash from the Judicial Education Project. And there was once any other supply the place she acquired over $200,000 from an activity that filed an amicus quick earlier than the court due to the fact we cannot discover out about it all. It stated underneath the disclosure is simply listing Liberty Consulting, do not inform us who the purchasers are. That have to change. That way he is following the letter of the law. Beyond that, the variety of gifts, non-public planes and yachts and sculptures, and lessons presents to his grandnephew that Thomas has received, many of them, if now not all, ought to have been reported, and it is special that we have a justice that is so impacted or so has acquired so tons largesse from a single supply, who, via the way, additionally has hobby earlier than the court. Ultimately, Roth added, there is in all likelihood a lot extra that we do not comprehend, and a lot greater coming out in the subsequent couple of weeks. You noted drip, 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 it is going to get superb drippy if it hasn't already, stated Roth. And we have viewed from the Thomas camp of excuses of parsing legislative text, and does a grandnephew count number as a child, and does a flight to Indonesia think about hospitality? And that is beside the point. The regulation calls for impeachment and removal, that will in no way happen, or a $50,000 fine, which were previous the statute of limitations, you are responsible for a pleasant, and it is in no way came about in Supreme Court history. And what we want to study in phrases of entanglements, the sum whole is unequaled, and it is no longer normal, no matter all of the excuses that Thomas or his householder buddies may supply to have a single character, giving so a good deal of money, gifts, trips, what have you, tuition, to a justice. And the public is of course going to see that and suppose it is corrupt, due to the fact that is how it looks. What is your take on this video? Kindly drop your feedback beneath and thanks for watching.